Hi, and welcome to the course. I'm glad you've subscribed to the course. So in this course, as I said in the promo for the course, it's the Zhan Zhuang series, very famous set. It's a set of static postures. And I encourage you in these postures, when you start them off, there's 10 exercises in the set, is to start off, don't do them too long. Just stand in the postures. Some of these postures you're going to do so many, you'll stand on a minute one side and stand on a minute on the other side. I encourage you not to try and do too much at once, because it will discourage you, because by the time you get to the fourth or fifth exercise, your body's going to be quite fatigued. It's like anything you do. You don't run a marathon on day one, you build up to it. Well, these exercises are similar. You've got to build up the strength and your stamina in your body so you can slowly do more and more of them and get more and more energy from them. So I encourage you that right from the start. Check out the medical applications. Each exercise has its own applications of how they're going to help you as a practitioner. Also, if you wanted to teach anybody how to do the exercises, because it talks about medical conditions that these exercises help as well. Have a look at, also make sure you read the practice guidelines and the safety parts of it, so you don't put yourself at risk. Not that you really can, there's only a few things that you're going to hurt yourself with, but mainly also about the practices of what's the best way to get the best out of the exercises while you're practicing it. As I say, great set, I love doing them myself, and I wish I had more time in the day to practice these ones. But thank you for joining the course, and if you have any questions, please contact me, email me, ask me if there's not something you'd like to know about them, and I'm glad to get back to you and we can talk about it. So enjoy the course, see you at the end, bye bye.